So this is going to be the new Bolero Neo Convertible, which will be coming out. I don't know, pretty soon. I hope. And this is going to come out in electric and gasoline options, which will the gasoline will still have the 1.5 liter. It's going to be called Stinger, which was already launched in an Auto Expo. So it's a four-seater, two-door convertible car, and the interior is pretty good. It's got all the latest digital equipments on it, and it's a four-seater like I mentioned, and this is going to have the same ground clearance like the Bolero Neo with the MLD kit. And the electric version, this is the platform that will be built on. So this is the electric platform that it will be using, and it's called the new Stinger. So this seems to be looking as a very good vehicle from Mahindra, which is the Bolero Neo platform. So I hope you guys will get to see this pretty soon then. So thank you so much.